Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 6.1, question number 3rd. Here is given, in the given figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ, means this angle is equal to this angle. This is given. Then you prove angle PQS, this angle, is equal to angle PRT, means this angle. You prove this angle is equal to this angle. For this, first of all, you write angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree bracket by linear pair angle, by the property of linear pair angle. These are two angles which make a straight line. Therefore, at point Q, we make 180 degree by these two angles. Therefore, I write here angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree by the property linear pair angle. Because non-common arms of these two angles are opposite to each other and make a straight line. This is your first equation. Then you write from here angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree by the property of linear pair angle. Here is also a linear pair angle which makes a straight line. This is your second equation. Comparing first and second, you get right sides are equal, therefore left sides are also equal. You write here angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Means when RHS is equal to each other, then LHS is also equal to each other. By this property, we write here angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. And we know that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. It is given. Both are equal. Therefore, they will be cancelled here. If the equal amount is added in both sides, or then they are subtracted from both sides, you get there is no difference. Means these are equal to each other. Therefore, angle PQR is cancelled here by angle PRQ because angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So these are cancelled here because both are equal. If you transpose this angle here, then they will be cancelled here. Therefore, angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Hence proved. Hence proved. Question number 4. In the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. This means you prove x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then AOB is a line, straight line. For this, first of all, you write x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. X plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree by the property angles around a point. Angle around a point is 360 degree. You write here in the bracket angle around a point. By this property, we are able to write x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. Here is given x plus y is equal to w plus z. By this given, we are able to write x plus y at the place of w plus z. Then we write here x plus y plus w plus z is equal to x plus y. Then we write here x plus y is equal to 360 degree. In the bracket you write x plus y is equal to w plus z. By this property, we write here x plus y plus at the place of w plus z we write x plus y. Therefore, we get 2 bracket x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Here is 2x and 2y. Therefore, 2 is common here. Then 2 bracket x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Then x plus y is equal to 360 degree upon 2, that is equal to 180 degree. When x plus y is equal to 180 degree, therefore AOB is a line by the property of straight line. We are able to write here AOB is a line because x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Hence proved.